Welcome to my lesson on YouTube about how to expand brackets. Now if you've been watching some of my previous videos, certainly in the algebraic videos, I'd been expanding brackets and I haven't really created a video on explaining how to do this. So essentially when you have a bracket, brackets mean we do this first. So what this is doing is it's doing a plus b and then multiplying that ab by 3. So you have 3 lots of ab. But we can also write this 3 times ab as 3a plus 3b. And I'll show you why. If you expand out the brackets, you multiply what is in it by what is on the outside. So we've got 3 on the outside, so what we do is we multiply the a by 3, and then we multiply the b by 3. So we get 3 times a, which is 3a, and then 3 times b, it's plus, remember we have to take note of this plus here, so it's plus 3b, and then that's our solution. Let's do another example. This time we may have a negative one and we'll introduce a number. So it's entirely the same concept. We do 3 times a, which is 3a, 3 times a, and then 3 times minus 9. Now 3 times minus 9 is minus 27. Remember, when you multiply a positive, so remember there is an imaginary plus 3 here, so positive 3 multiplied by negative 9 will equal a minus number, because a positive multiplied by a minus number is always going to be a negative number. So let's try perhaps a more complicated one. So 3a minus 7b, negative 7b. So what's 3a times a squared? Well, the 3 doesn't multiply by but this multiplies by an imaginary 1, so we have 3. Then we have a, which multiplies by the a to give us a squared, so we get 3a squared. And now we move on to the second part, so we have 3a multiplied by negative 7b. Well, the 3 and the negative 7 multiply together to give us negative 21, and the a and the b multiply together to give us ab. So 3a squared take away negative 21 ab. Next we're going to introduce you into we'll increase the levels even further. I know I'm moving at quite a fast pace, but you can always rewatch the video and just make sure you get in each way of doing it before continuing on. So next we're going to multiply each one by another. We have 3ab times 3ab. Now before you do this, it's best to draw out the lines, because you have to multiply everything by everything. So the 3a has to multiply by the 3a has to multiply the 3a and the plus b, and then also the plus b has to multiply by the b as well. So you get almost like a wave shape or something. You can create shapes with these this almost way of representing it. I know my maths teacher used to teach a comb-over method, like Homer Simpson or who's his name? Sir Alex Ferguson, just because it looks similar to how his hair looked like. I suppose it did help, but however I prefer it this way, because it just shows you do 3a and then the 2 operations on top, 2 on the bottom. So anyway, what's 3a times 3a? Well, the 3 times the 3 makes 9, and the a times the a makes a squared. and then we have plus, and now we do 3a times b, which is 3 times 1 is 1, a times b equals ab. Let's move on to another line. Now onto our b, so b times 3a, same as the previous one, 3ab, and now b times b is b squared. And now we can simplify this down slightly. We can add these two things together, so we get 6ab, so 9a squared at 6ab plus b squared. So that's how you expand the brackets. You just have to remember to multiply whatever is on the outside by whatever is in the inside. If you have any more questions about it or did not learn fully from this video, please send me some feedback and I'll be sure to answer your questions. If this video helped you, please subscribe and like this video. It would help support my channel. And thank you for watching, and goodbye.